What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you my souls. Not all of them are here. I got another one coming soon. But anyway, I'm going to start off with all these soul cases I got here. No, that's not for all of them, just some that I got laying around or whatever. But there's those ones. Okay, first one we're going to start with is my Husky 41. It's air injected. It's a very good soul. It's my haunt soul. I just put a new bar on it recently, so it looks that's a lot more long. I think that's a 20 inch bar. Pretty sure it's about a 20. Considering I got it extended about, about 20. But yeah, there's that one. And then I got, this is the Vintage Craftsman 2.3 PS VL. This thing is really nice, runs great. I think it was made back in 70s, possibly. I have no clue. I did have the chain on it, took the chain off for haunt season. Because haunt season's in like 7 months, 8 months or something like that. I like to do my shit early, get it all done and over with. That way, whenever the time comes, I ain't gotta worry about it. So I could just sit and chill and, have my shit ready to go. There's that one. Okay. It'd be really nice if I could show you guys this one. This is a newer one. This is a Steel MS-170. It's brand new. I'll show you this perspective of what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is also going to be a haunt, so this don't have. That's gonna get customized first, and then we're gonna get blood and all that on it, and then we're gonna get a bike welded chain bar. That'll look pretty sick. Not a bad saw. MS-170. Okay, let's do we'll do the bottom row first. This one here. The chain's all messed up on it. But, this is a Hemlite Super 2. It's not a bad looking saw. Pretty nice. Pretty big bar for a small saw though. I like it a lot. It's a beautiful saw. Yeah, I like the old saws. They're cool. Yeah, there's that one. Not a bad one. I'll have to put you guys here real quick. Now, the story behind this one. This is a part saw now. I used this during the first day or so of Freight Farm last year. Last year. And some reason, after I think like the first, no, it had been towards the end of the night. It just gave up on me and doesn't want to run no more. I've tried everything, tried getting it to run again, and it just doesn't want to run. Won't even pop. This is one of my favorite souls, but they die sometimes, so it happens. Next, we got this Poland P3314 haunt soul. Not even sure if it even runs anymore. I haven't tried it in so long. It's got a very short pull cord, like very short. Like it's crazy. I don't even mess with it. This is a Haunt Saw too. Probably one of my favorite ones. Well, one of my favorite sounding ones. It's all messed up here. But other than that, it was a good running saw, and then just gave up. Haven't really fucked with it much. And then here we have, this is a McCulloch. I can't remember exactly. Let me see if the name's on it. Not really sure. I just know it's a McCulloch. I can't remember exactly the name of it. This is a Haunt Saw as well. It sprays gas out of it, so I haven't used it at all. I don't think there's any hope in fixing it. But I keep every saw, use them. Maybe one day I'll need them for parts. You know, something like that. Then I got just a power head for a Homelite Super 2. It's a different one than that one. This one's a lot different, and then to that, it doesn't run at the moment. Yeah, let me actually put this one back. Alright, next one. This is the next one. In my opinion, it's a piece of shit. Junk. I would never buy another one of these. No compression. Like absolutely none. No compression at all. And I'm holding it clear up here. No compression. Garbage. The only thing I like about it is the dogs. These dogs right here. That's it. It's the only thing I like about it. Other than that, it's a piece of shit. Wouldn't buy it. I'll show you this side too. And the case cracked. It's not worth it in my eyes. Alright. Now I move to the top. Start from this side and go down. Got a Poland Wood Shark. Hasn't been ran in a while. I don't know if it runs anymore. Still got pretty damn good compression still in it. So I'll have to look into it. It might be done, I don't know. Haven't tried it in so long. But as you can see, took the fucking muffler out of it. So it's like really fucking loud. This is another old Haunt Saw. Still cool looking though. And here's one. I actually put the smallest bar on it. I don't know. It looks really funny. But a Ryo BRY 3714. Still runs. Pretty good saw. Haunt Saw as always. Not a bad saw. Other than that, there's not really much I can say about it. No, this is more of a recent saw. It runs. It's got a custom bar on it. Homelite XO. It does run. A little Haunt Saw for like one hand. You just one hand it and do whatever. Oops. But yep, there's that. Pretty nice saw. Runs great. Now last but not least is this bad bitch. This little bad bitch here. The chain will be taken off for haunt season. I picked this one up maybe, well, not picked it up, but bought it probably, I want to say about a month ago. It runs fucking great. Nothing wrong with it. Perfectly runs. I mean, it's a fucking beast. It's modified too. This is modified. It used to have the gas line come out here. Well, the gas line goes through right there, and then up through this, and then into the carb right through here. And then it's pretty much all the modifications it has. I think it's got new fuel lines in it, and somewhat of a brand new chain. I don't really care for the bar style. To me, it looks like a fucking machete. I don't really care for it. But other than that, it's nice looking saw. I did have a little green Poland and a red Craftsman, but I got rid of those. I gave those to my nephew because he's going to be working with me out at Freight Farm this year. And this is my brother's little saw, and then this is his other saw right now. This one's mine. All these ones are mine at the bottom here. And these are all mine also. They all run. All of mine, most of them all run. The ones that are my brother's is this one, that's my brother's old saw. That was mine. That red one's mine. That one was mine. That one's mine. That one's mine. Mine. And all those are mine too. But other than that, and I got a Echo CS310 coming in soon, so I'll do a video of it and everything, and whenever the time comes, I'll upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next ones.